Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Samuel and I'm a virtual assistant here to help you boost your productivity and enhance your professional image. In today's video, I'll show you how to create a professional Gmail signature that leaves a lasting impression. Whether you're a business owner, freelancer, or someone who just wants to look more polished in your email, this tutorial is for you. So let's dive in.
Alright, let's start by logging into your Gmail account. You can log into your Gmail account by clicking on the Gmail here or by clicking on the Google app icon and select Gmail. Inside your Gmail account, click the gear icon here, which is the settings icon, and select see all settings. Now in the settings menu, you see a bunch of different tabs. Don't get overwhelmed. We are looking for signature session. Scroll down under the general tab here and find the label signature. It should be halfway down the page. Great, now it's time to create our signature. Click on create new button. A pop-up will appear asking for you to type your signature name. You can give it a name like working signature or personal signature. I'll give my work signature and click on create. Once you've named your signature, it's time to add your details. Start by entering your name, job title, and your other information that you want to include. I will type my name here, my job title, my company name, phone number, and you can also type in your website URL. You can add clickable link to your website or your social media account to make it easy for people to connect with you. To add clickable link, you can select your website URL and click on link. To add a personal touch to it, you can attach image to it. I will add my company logo here, so you can click on insert image. You can insert image by URL, your drive, or upload from your computer. I'll upload from my computer here. And we'll adjust the image accordingly. I'll adjust the image accordingly by clicking small. You can also add your headshot to it to make it a bit professional. Just be careful not to make the image too large or distracting. Keep it small. Now to make sure that everything looks polished, you can adjust the font size, make it bold, underline it, change the background color and the text color, change the alignment. I'll make some few changes here and get back to you. Now after the changes, scroll down, select your default signatures. For new email, you can choose the work signature. Reply and forward messages, you can also choose the work signature. Once you're happy with your signature, scroll down to the bottom of the page and click save changes. Now let's try it out here. Click on compose and you can see your email signature here. If you have multiple signatures, you can switch between them by clicking on the insert signature icon here. You can choose no signature. You can manage your signature by clicking on manage signatures. This will take you back to the general tab. Scroll to the signature section and you can add new signature to it. Before we wrap up, here are a few best practices to keep in mind when designing your email signature. Keep it concise. Don't overload your signature with too much information. Stick to clean and readable fonts. Make a link clickable. Ensure your website social media links are clickable so that people can easily connect to you. Avoid too many colors. Stick to a simple color scheme that matches your brand. And that is it. You've just created a professional Gmail signature. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more tips to improve your business and productivity. And if you need any help in managing your email, organizing tasks, or any other virtual services, feel free to reach out to me. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.